Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make money with Chat GPT. So first of all you need to open up your browser here, and in here you will type Chat GPT, and then you will tap on this first link introducing Chat GPT, and then you will click on this option where it says try ChatGPT. So there are like 100 ways that you can actually earn money with ChatGPT, but in this video I will show you like top 5 to 6 ways which are the most popular and fast ways to earn money online using the ChatGPT. Okay, so our first method is affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's suppose that you are actually promoting a product from Amazon, and you wanted to write a description for it, okay, that can actually grab the viewers attention. So how you can do this, you will like this write a killer eye grabbing description for baby lotion. Let's suppose you are selling this item here, baby lotion, for affiliate marketing. Okay, and then you will hit enter, and what this will do, this will actually gives you the idea or write a very like killer eye grabbing description for your post that you are selling, let's suppose on your website. Okay, so the first method is the affiliate marketing, and the second method is basically content writing. Okay, so let's suppose that you have a gig on fiverr.com and you are offering the content writing offers there, and let's suppose that you are working on Upwork, and you can use chat gpt to for content writing. Okay, so how you do this, write content writing of about 100 words on what are the reasons of World War I. So let's suppose that your client wants a 100 words content on World War I. So you can just type this here. Let me just correct it, right, and just tap enter, and it says that only one message at a time. Okay, so this is the problem that I've been facing, so I will just copy it and just refresh the chat here, and I will just hit enter, and it will just write it for me. Okay, so now what it will do, it will just write like 100 words content on the what are the reasons of World War I, and you can just copy and like paste it in any paraphrasing tool, and that will actually rearrange this, so your client will not know that you have copied this from chat gpt. Okay, so the third option is blogging. Okay, so let's suppose that you have an online blog, and you want actually like posts for the blog. Okay, so you don't have to think. Okay, just come here to the chat gpt and it will do the work for you. Okay, so how you can do this, let's suppose that you have a tech channel, so write me a 100 blog post on like new Samsung mobiles of 2022. Okay, so what it will do is it will actually write a 100 blog post on the Samsung mobile phone, and you can just copy this and paste this in your blogging site. Okay, so the next method is YouTube. You can actually use chat gpt to earn money from YouTube, and how does that work? This will actually work is that you will use chat gpt to write a YouTube scripts for you, and then what you will do, you will do the voice over on it on yourself, or you can actually use the AI voice over on your script, and then what you will do is you will actually add the clips rare regarding the scripts. Okay, how this will work I will show you. So let's suppose that you have a YouTube channel where you don't show your face. So you will write this: write me 2 minutes YouTube video script on top 5 games, top 5 PC games in the world. Okay, so what this will do is this will actually write a very interesting YouTube script for you. Okay, and we will wait it for to write the script for us, and then I will do that what will be the next step for you. Okay, so now you can see that it has written a complete 2 minutes YouTube script for us on top 5 PC games in the world. Now the second up thing that you need is a voiceover. Now if you have your own voice, like if you think that you can do a voiceover on it, if you have a good mic, then you can actually like do the voiceover on it, and you can actually use the AI voiceover. And how you will do this, you will just basically like copy the whole script from here like this one, and the tool I recommend is 11 labs. Here is the tool, and you will just open up the 11 labs here and make your account in this. And what this will basically do is this will basically, okay, so let me just type here what we have this. Okay, and host, so we will just remove this one, host from here, title from here, gameplay footage from here, and this one also from here, this also from here, this one too, this one too, and we will just make a little bit like close to each other like this one, and like this one, and this one too. And finally, and that's it. So what you gonna do, that you can actually select the voice person from here, like there are like couple of voices, and then you can actually do the voice options from here, like the stability, clarity, and these all stuff. And when you are done, just tap on generate here, and it will generate the voice for us, and let it wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 PC games in the world. Are you a gamer and looking for some new games to play? Or are you just curious to know which games are trending right now? Well, you have come to the right place. So, let's get started. Number 5 on our list is
Okay, so you can actually like use this website to turn your scripts into voice. And then we have the last option, which is the video, like how to make videos. So there is another AI tool, which is the pictory.ai, and what this will do is that you just have to put the script here and it will automatically generates video for you. Okay, so but the first thing is that this is not free. Okay, so we have like a couple of different options here for us. Like if we go here, get started, pictory.ai here, and we have like couple of softwares from pictory.ai that we can use to actually like make videos. And the good thing about this is that you just have to put your script here. Okay, the script that we have copied from here, you just have to put your script your script here, and then it will like automatically creates the video for us. Or the second option that you can do is you can actually like go to the YouTube here. I will show you the tips. And what you will basically do here, that if you go into the script here again, so the first game is Grand Theft Auto 5. Okay, so you will type here GTA V gameplay, no copyright. Okay, and then you will tap on filters here, and then you will tap on Creative Commons. So this license actually allows us to reuse these videos on our channels. So what you can do here, that when the person is talking about GTA 5 gameplay like this, you can take any gameplay clip from here and put it in. And when it's talking about the gameplay of Minecraft, you can actually get here and type Minecraft gameplay, no copyright, and make sure that this is turned on. Okay, Creative Commons is turned on, and you can actually use the gameplay footage from this. So I'm sure that you get the idea that how to actually use Chat GPT to earn money from YouTube. Okay, so the last thing is that I will tell you that how to make money is you can actually make games with ChatGPT. Now if you know the basics that how to make a game, then you can actually use ChatGPT to write code for you basically. Okay, so how this will work here, you will write this write a complete step by step tutorial on make how to make endless runner game in Unity with code. Now when you write this, what this will do is this will actually like guide you or tell you that how you can actually make a game out, you can actually make an endless runner game in Unity, and it will actually write all the code for you. Okay, you just have to like set up the things there, and you just copy and paste that code and changes it according to. Okay, so we will just wait here and we will tell basically the it, and we will actually wait for it to complete the process here. And when it's done, it will actually like script for us. So for some reasons, if it doesn't like write the code for us, we will actually use this to again ask him to write the code. This will not be a problem. Okay, so here you can see that it is actually making code for us, as you can see. So we just have to wait here. Now it's add scoring. Okay, so for some reasons, if this stop, you can just type here like this one, please continue above tutorial. Okay, and if it do like this one, just tap on the new game here and just open it up. And what you can do here that, okay, so for actually my internet is not working right now, but you get the idea that how to actually make games from ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.